Hey everyone, is your car refusing to start, or are you having trouble shifting gears? You scanned the system and found code P0852, Park Neutral Switch Input Circuit High. This issue can cause hard shifting, transmission problems, or even prevent your car from starting. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0852 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the sensor so you can fix it fast. Let's dive in. What is P0852? The P0852 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an abnormally high voltage from the park neutral position PNP switch. This switch tells the PCM when your car is in park neutral or drive. If it malfunctions, your vehicle may struggle to start or shift properly. Common symptoms of P0852: engine won't start in park or neutral, delayed or rough shifting, transmission stuck in limp mode, incorrect gear selection displayed on the dashboard, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light. Now let's locate the key components and fix this issue. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0852, check these key components: park neutral position PNP, switch. Location, mounted on the side of the transmission near the gear selector or attached to the shift linkage. Function, detects gear position and sends signals to the PCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, attached to the transmission housing or inside the engine bay. Function, control shifting based on PNP switch input. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually found in the engine bay near the fuse box or firewall. Function, manages engine and transmission operations, wiring and connectors. Location, runs from the PNP switch to the PCM and TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals for gear selection. Gear shift linkage. Location, connects the gear lever to the transmission. Function, ensures smooth engagement of gears. Common causes of P0852: faulty park neutral position, PNP, switch. A damaged switch can send incorrect voltage signals. Wiring or connector issues, loose, corroded, or broken wires can cause high voltage readings. Transmission control module, TCM, failure. A malfunctioning TCM can misinterpret signals. Misaligned gear shift linkage. If out of alignment, the switch may not detect the correct gear. Powertrain control module, PCM, malfunction, rare, but a faulty PCM could cause voltage issues. How to fix P0852. Step 1. Inspect the park neutral position, PNP, switch. Look for cracks, corrosion, or damage and replace if needed. Step 2. Check the wiring and connectors. Repair or replace any frayed or corroded wires. Step 3. Test the gear shift linkage. Ensure proper alignment to avoid false readings. Step 4. Scan for other transmission codes. Additional codes may help identify related issues. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the error code and take the car for a test drive. Final words. The P0852 trouble code can cause starting and transmission issues if ignored. But with a quick check of the switch, wiring, and shift linkage, you can fix it before it turns into a costly repair. Watch these related videos next. P0570, cruise control, resume signal, malfunction P0571, brake switch. A circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.